If you're going to be working on an LS engine and you like saving some money, then this DIY flywheel holding tool is for you. Stay tuned. So the bolts you're going to need for this are going to be M10 by 1.5, and you want to be careful that the bolts that you grab are not going to be too short. The reason for that is if you look at the block here, this is where the starter mounts, and if you look closely, this first half of this boss is not threaded at all. So if you only get like a couple threads of engagement with your tool in place and you go to torque on something, you're going to wind up damaging those threads and you're going to have a really difficult time the next time you try to put the starter on. So be sure to get bolts that are long enough. I wouldn't use the factory bolts for the starter, especially if you have two of the long ones, because they're way too long for this. And the short bolts are actually, I think they're too short. I don't think you're going to get quite enough thread engagement on it. So I threw in the factory GM bolts here, and you can see what I'm talking about here. This tool would be way too like silly. You can definitely use it. It would just be a little bit silly using the two of the long bolts. And then if you have the short bolt, to get any decent thread engagement, you really are struggling here to make a tool that really fits in this space. It'd be a little bit small and you probably wouldn't like that. Now, if you had like a friend or something, you could have them put a pry bar or a screwdriver against the dowel pin and kind of hold it in place. But if you don't have friends like me, then you need a tool to do it for you. There are plenty of tools available online. I'll throw a link in the description for a couple if you want to take a look. Normally they go for anywhere between like $30 up to like $100 if you wanted to just buy one. But if like it's like Saturday and then you realized you needed one, like I'm doing, then this approach will work a lot better for you. For everyone who's expecting the next episode of my Datsun 280Z project car build, sit tight. This tool is going to help me get the clutch and flywheel in so I can install my T56 Magnum transmission. I'm still working towards my two main goals of ordering the custom drive shaft and wheels for the car so I can do a test drive before tearing everything back down for paint. Stay tuned, I'll have more updates coming. If you're doing any welding while the engine's in the car, be sure to disconnect the battery and any critical electronics to minimize the chance of damage from the welder's electrical current. Keep your ground clamp as near to where you're welding as possible and only tack in place, fully welding off the car. You don't want to fry your ECU trying to save $30 making this tool. The most difficult part of fabricating this tool is the gear tooth interface. Tracing the shape of the flywheel can be difficult to do, but if you're able to put a light source in front of the gear, you'll be able to use a piece of paper to trace its shape pretty easily. Mark and cut more teeth than you think you're going to need so you can pick the best engaging series of them for the final part. If you're not happy with the tooth engagement, you can always use a scrap piece of a flywheel or keep making pieces until you're satisfied. The more teeth you have engaged, the better the load pressing against the flywheel is distributed. However, the more teeth you have, the more accurate your tool needs to be. It'll probably take a couple of attempts to get the shape you're looking for depending on what tools you have available, but once you have a process down, it's really not bad to do. overall, this didn't take too long to do, and this tool will stay in my toolbox as long as I keep working on builds. I saved some money, got to film a quick video for you guys, and hopefully this will get to help someone out there gearing up to work on their own car. If this helped, be sure to let me know and consider subscribing to follow my project car builds. Thank you.